Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try and upload every Sunday, maybe more, maybe less, depending on how things go. I just want to shout out to TCDA. Wondering whether I even wanted to make this channel because I had so many winners in a row, and then I actually lost a little bit. It's a haircut. It's, for something, 456 to be exact. I lost on it, but I bought it on August 10th, sold it on the 21st because the catalyst was the 22nd, and I don't want to take an even bigger haircut by keeping the stock. You want to sell the day before the catalyst. Even before that is fine too if you've run up a profit. The main issue is buying on the 10th. Let's look at this. On the 1 month, August 10th is right there. I bought it at 13.47. That's just the open. The high was 14.14. And then look what happens. Runs up. It gets into the 15s, which would be a hefty profit. It'd be about 20 some, I think, dollar profit. But me, I was so confident about this stock that I decided to let it ride out. And you see what happens. It just wasn't there. Let's go to the 1 week. The 1 week is dismal. See, running up, and it just shits all over itself. It shit the bed. So, especially here, should have sold right there, or even right there. But right next to the catalyst date, it just dives down on Friday. So the one day, which is Friday, it just dipped all the way down. And right here, I thought, maybe it's running up. And then it just dipped down again. Consolidates right here. Maybe I thought it was going to be a push to go up. And it just dipped again. And then only in the after hours did it do anything. So it's one of those things. It happens. So now what I've got to do is figure out, go to TCDA again. I've got to figure out, sold it at 251.37. That's the money I'm going to put into the next stock. So I got to take a look at some stocks real quick here. And I'll go to the Biotech Catalyst website after this and show you where I got this research from. We're going to go to CBAY, which is like the wish.com version of eBay. Just kidding. So the catalyst is 8/27, which is just a few days from now. So CBAY, let's look at the 1 week. It's already up. The 1 month, it's up drastically. 3 months, up drastically. So I don't know if this is a stock that I want to buy in because looks like the run-up is already factored in. It looks like there's not a whole lot of more money to be made here. I could be wrong. I mean, it's a stock market. Anything can happen. I think I'll disqualify that one. Let's look at the earnings. You never want to buy into if there's earnings coming up too. Doesn't say anything about earnings. All right, so let's cross that one off the list. Let's go. The next one is ADAP, which is also another 8/27. All right, ran up a little bit. Ooh. The 3 month chart though, it's run up, but it's dipped. 1 year, ooh. If we're talking about a play just to get in and get out in a few days, I'm not sure I like that one either. Earnings. November 4th, no big deal. All right, let's go to LPCN. That one is an 8/27, or sorry, 8/28. It's down the past week, but up, definitely up for the month. Oh, Jesus. All right, we're going to disqualify that one. It's run up so much massively that I just can't take the risk on that stock. So let's go to VKTX. Check that one out. That one is also an 8/28 catalyst. So let's go to the 1 week. It's up 8%. That one is... That one's not disqualified for sure. And again, this is only my opinion. I'm looking for stocks that are like under 10 bucks. That's my own opinion, because stocks that are under 10 bucks, they move a little bit. It's a lot more percentage gain than, say, like buying a $50 or $100 stock, and that stock moves $1. A stock that's under 10 bucks moves $1. You're making substantial gains. Just looking at this chart, that one might be an okay one. Let's check AXLA. I can type, cool. Also catalyst on 8/28. Okay, the 1 month, it ran up almost 18%. 3 month, down almost 20%. Interesting. All right, this one again, you could probably hear my pen. I'm circling that. All right, sounds good. And if you guys have any comments or anything else, just definitely let me know, because this is the process that I use to check these stocks. All right, so we're going to go a little further out. Sometimes I like to buy 2 weeks out or even more. It just depends on your style. So I've got MNK. All right, so we got 1 day, 1 week, lost. Whoa. What is going on with this stock? It just keeps going down. 5 years. Oh, it's getting murdered. It's got a small market cap. Analysts hate it, though. Analysts, keep in mind, analysts are shit. Really, they are. So, expected earnings on November 3rd, way past the catalyst. We're safe there. This is an interesting bet. Sounds kind of like gambling when you're buying into something like this, but it's got a 9/12 catalyst, September 12th. I'm going to circle that one. Interesting. So let's go to Eton. Already made money with this stock earlier. It was a bad day Friday for like basically everything that wasn't Tesla and Apple. So this was down 5.28%. Let's go to the 1 week, down about 3%. 1 month, up almost 23%. Let's see, it's been running up steadily, so earnings. See, I made a little bit of money on that one. Made about 30 bucks. Held it for a long ass time though. Not gonna really mess with that. If you guys want to, that's cool. Go for it. So VSTM, Veristem. Again, Friday was really bad. Let's see, a bad week, bad month. Okay, this 1 year, it got up to what? 4 something. 3 months, let's see, earnings, nothing. All right, I'm going to circle this one. This one is a 9/16 catalyst. And I've got one more, which is CLVS. Clovis Oncology. Again, bad Friday, good week, bad month, bad 3 months. Okay. Not the hugest stock, market cap of, about 500K, or 500 million rather. Earnings, July 30th. No, it's past July 30th, so I don't know what the heck the deal is. That one's an iffy one. So we'll go to my methodology for like picking these stocks. So let's go back to the FDA calendar, biofarmcatalyst.com. If you guys get into this, you're going to want to get into this website like all the time. Let's start with the wish.com version of eBay, CBAY. That one is 8/27. like I said, so looking for stocks under $10. We're going to go to ADAP 843. They got one at 827. LPCN, there it is right there, 828. And the VKTX, that one's 828 as well. The AXLA, again, 828. You want to avoid any stocks that are like vague on whether like the catalysts are. It's like phase 2, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say the date. So I would avoid those if I was you. Let's see. Let's go down to, again, that one's under $10, but it's not that FPRX. The ACST is one, but we already have that from the previous video if you saw that. No. Again, vague. AEZS, that's another one we have already. So MNK is the 912. Eton, that's the 915. And then right below Eton is the VSTM, which is 916. Sorry about this. Basically, the phone app, or if you're on a desktop, you can see this a lot easier. The CLVS, again, is 919. And I've got to pick one of these to go in on Monday morning. I'm going to see what the market is, how it opens, and then go from there.